Well guys, the weather has gotten amazing again. Beautiful blue skies, and today's Valentine's Day. And I just got these picked up because I got fresh flowers, so you gotta be careful, obviously. So I don't see Lara, I don't see Catherine. We've got some people here doing some work around the house, but I don't see them. I know we gotta go to the Beaver. There's people that arrived today. And everything's busy, everything. Doesn't matter where you go, it's so packed. Philippines loves Valentine's Day, absolutely loves it. And if you don't book ahead, like months ahead, you can't get reservations. Oh, who is this for? Happy Valentine's, my ladies.
Aw, happy Valentine's, Daddy.
Okay, well, I think Lara's gonna be first because it's on the outside here. Lara, here you go, my baby.
Aww.
Oh, she's a little sniffly, is it? Oh, yours. Sorry, the ribbon must have came off yours. And that is for you.
Thank you.
Ooh, Lara, what do you think?
Good.
Yeah?
You say to Daddy.
Do you know what?
Thank you.
Do you know what?
Happy
I love you so much, and happy Valentine's. Yeah.
Valentine's, Daddy.
So she just got in trouble for something, didn't she? Yeah. Well, funny, it turned to a smile real quick, though.
Yeah.
You've got, what do you got in there? You've got a bear, you've got flowers inside here, and you got fresh flowers out here.
Yes.
This way, these ones will keep because they're not real. These are real.
Yeah.
Wow. And you know the funny thing is, my dear, my love, is Lara still kept all this time? She still has last Valentine's,
Oh,
doesn't
yes.
she? Where are they?
Where is that? It's right
Oh, right up there. So this is Lara's from last year, and she's kept it all this time.
there. And you know
Now
what?
she's showing her.
I
Oh,
bought some flowers for Manong and his wife.
oh,
Because,
that's nice of you.
It's their first time to, accept flowers from other people.
Really?
Yes, it's
First time ever?
first time ever.
For the people that are working here, right? Just so people understand who you're talking about?
Yes.
Yeah, because they do a lot of stuff for us, and they watch our house when we're away and everything.
Yeah.
And so you got them. Oh, look
Yeah,
at that.
I
Because I
bought
was like,
them.
what's with the chocolates? Never mind, it's not for us.
It's for them. So I was thinking that maybe I'm gonna give them a Valentine's flower.
Do they know? Do they not know yet?
They don't know. Cause Manong driver, he thought that this is for you and Lara, and
Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. Let's do it.
Hello.
Happy Valentine's Day. Look at you getting flowers, huh? Such a manly thing to do. Thankfully, I don't get flowers.
Thank you, Mom.
Hey, and you got a little bear to play with too, Manong.
You got something tonight.
Yeah.
You got something.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thanks to all. Thank you.
Yeah.
Daddy, this is so fluffy.
I know. So, ladies, we have to go to the Beaver to meet some people.
No.
Mm-hmm. And maybe Lara will probably bring that to show everybody, I bet. Because that's how she is. She gets so proud. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Anyway, so yeah, we got to go over to the Beaver.
Sorry. The house is so messy because we're trying to clean the house.
And organizing, because she bought all these totes to do some organizing because there's just so much stuff everywhere.
Daddy.
Mwah. It is a big heart, isn't it? All right, they're setting up for the Halloween. Yeah, get those masks off, will you? Come on. Anyway, they're setting up for Valentine's. Lara's gonna get a picture because tonight they will be sold out. There's just one bigger table here. The people that were looking for the Beaver, apparently they couldn't find it. And because it's kind of like, you see how it's all closed in? This is pretty common. People are like, I walked on the beach, I couldn't find you guys. If you're coming here, it's this simple. You come to Roxas City, you look for San Antonio Resort, often people stay right at it, and they'll even walk out that door and go that way and then go, I can't find the Canadian Beaver, and we're right there. 7-Eleven is right there. So if you're at San Antonio, 7-Eleven, look around there, you will find the Canadian Beaver right here. So yeah, unfortunately, By the time I got their message, it was 30 minutes later. I think they probably found like a new spot and they just hanging out there instead.
Hi guys, it's because I'm wearing this dress tonight, a princess dress. Because happy holidays, guys. So Daddy's wearing the pink one. Say hi.
Hello, everybody.
Say hi. And look at that dresses.
Here's the window's a little dirty.
Yeah. The wind's a little dirty because I'm doing my vlogger.
So Catherine has been working very hard all day on this special evening for us. We're gonna do it at home in our Cubo right on the beach. And I think she's gonna tell me it's ready. Yes? Okay. We get to go, Lara. Are we excited or what?
I'm excited.
Enjoy.
Well, let's just see. I think so.
We're gonna go.
And the dogs are running off to go look at the fishermen out there.
Look how romantic is that?
It's so romantic. Lily! There we go. Get them stop barking. Look at them go. The dogs are here to greet us, and wow, look at this. Very romantic. They've got their flowers here. Asher, Lily.
We don't have flowers for you, but I bought this for you. And there's a sand here.
Well.
You can smell it.
Oh my God, I got a flower with a bear, 2 of them.
Yes.
And yeah, I think we're gonna put on the light just real quick here so we can really show the steak because I can't see it. A little bit better. This is tomahawk steaks that we just bought. 1 and 2. We've got oysters here. Now the oysters are prepared with something a little extra. Blue cheese. We just found out about that.
Yeah.
And then Lara just wanted french fries.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. She can have because she can eat all the food. That's why I'm not gonna waste the food.
Yeah.
And she just asked me about the fries.
There you go. We got 2 days left of the carnivore diet, and then we switch to keto, which allows for some vegetables and nuts and different things. And so, yeah, as you can see, nothing fancy. There's no mashed potatoes. There's none of the carbs or anything. All right, this looks great. Time to dig in. Look at the hearts. Are you like a cupid?
Yeah.
Oh, very
Mommy,
pretty.
buy it.
Very pretty. Very pretty. Well, dinner was wonderful, but the rain just started and these just appeared out of nowhere, huh? What is this? What did you get me? And Lara's got one too.
Open it.
Oh. Do you want to see what Daddy got first? Oh. Look at
You
that.
can use that in your office.
Not on my bike.
Really? You can.
I could use this
You
as
can
a seat.
play it on your bike.
I know it.
How can I open it?
Does it go like that? Is this because I bumped my head everywhere in the Philippines? All right.
You
Don't
look
be
like,
tall in
You
the
look like
Philippines.
grasshopper.
I like it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. Good night. All right, let's see what Lara's got. Here, you want? Here, I'll help you with the staple.
Just a tape.
Oh, it's tape?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. No wonder you can't get it. That's
That is
a good
strong.
tape. Hang on. Okay. Wait. Okay. It's all yours, Lara. Oh my God.
Hey, there's something on there. You see this? Can you?
Oh, there. So at night,
Yes.
you'll have a light.
Show it to them. Show it to them. See? So that you're not afraid if you don't have power.
The power goes
yeah?
out. Like
Look at
tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Look at that. So cute.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
So, Lara goes crazy when the power goes out. It cuts out, she goes insane, she screams, and goes crazy. Even though she's asleep, somehow she wakes up. Anyway, and tomorrow's the National Grid is doing rolling blackouts. So that's not just here, it's Iloilo, it's Golad, it's Guimaras, everywhere. Like this whole, wherever's on our grid. It's going to be big. So anyway, so we know when's coming. So this is good timing.
Yeah.
Although I think it's coming at 6 a.m., right?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's not that hot out, so we probably won't wake up from the storm. But at least we know to charge everything tonight. Or not storm, sorry, the power outage. Yeah. I think the rain stopped, didn't it?
Not yet. Still, I can see it.
Oh, okay.
I love this one.
Mommy, so nice, eh? Mommy was thinking of you.
Happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine.
Say it.
Happy Valentine.
Hello, everybody. Well, Valentine's over. She's bleaching the pillows right now. How cool is that? I have never seen that in my life. Hey, nice. So yeah, our pillows are always fresh. There's something I gotta tell you. I can never. It's because I have a Filipina now. The amount of cleanliness that's involved in everything, from like blankets to sheets to towels to clothing to, like, I've never seen not a perfectly white shirt from anything I've ever gotten from her. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, this morning we've been doing all kinds of things. Lara just went to have a nap. Hopefully we can take that and roll that back up and get rid of the little things. We did that for the last tropical storm, and we can get everything cleaned up. We had this put in because anytime rain was coming sideways like this, we always had to close these, and then you don't get the fresh air and everything. So we had them make this for us, and it's worked out really great. Now, the rain comes and it eventually just runs off the sides. Probably could go even a little lower, but we wanted the view. But it has been great, so we're not going to change anything. Anyway, so lots of stuff going on here. Now, we haven't done a lot in our content for the last couple of weeks because I've been working on a very big project. Not the community, that's taking longer because, well, it takes longer. It's an enormous thing. And I'm just a cog in a very big machine. But I have been working pretty much every single day on projects. I'm working here at the beach because the breeze has stopped now with that salt air spray hitting my computer. The biggest problem that foreigners have coming to the Philippines is finding rentals. It's always been a hard struggle. We got to look in 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different places, and it has been a pain. It's not like it is in the West where you just go on one site and bang, there's tons and tons of rentals no matter where you want to be. So I fixed it, and it's free, completely free. It's not going to cost you anything. I just want to be able to help people out. So I made a rental website, and it's already got hundreds of listings, and I'm expecting that should just exponential, especially when more people are on there looking, then people will start posting to get to those people, that kind of thing. But I know a lot of people, so that's why it's got a couple hundred over 300 listings today, and it's not even live. This is the first time I'm even telling anybody publicly about the website. So tplrentals.com. It's free. Go there, pick a city. If you don't even know, maybe you're just trying to explore the Philippines, because there's a lot of cool information you're going to find from that. Is where can I get the best value for my money? Maybe something really modern and nice, and like, what does that cost somewhere? You can use the site for that too. And I can tell you already, between CDO and Davao, I think right now, like, I was shocked. Yeah, there's just, for the price, you get like really modern stuff. And that was really interesting. So now I'm going to have some real cool data. I already have quite a bit, but I will one day have a huge amount of data where I can tell people you know, exactly what they're looking for, their budget, everything, I could tell them. I could be like, yeah, go look in these places because they're the supply and demand is that perfect spot, that sweet spot, where people coming to Roxas, you're going to see. That's all the listings. I have struggled to get. I think as of today, there's six rentals that, you know, at all that you could do. Now, one of the listings is a brand new condo building with multiple units available. I don't know how many now, but because I know people that have already moved in. But so there's technically more than 6, but still, it's not great. Iloilo is really picked up. There's quite a few there, that kind of thing. Obviously, there's tons in BGC and all those kind of places, Makati, everything else. Anyway, I think you'll all find it very useful. So go there, register. It's only your name and email. That's it, nothing else. And that's just to keep, you know, scrapers and spammers, and you have to keep all that people out of there. So otherwise, yeah, I'm not asking for all your personal details or anything like that. So there you go, guys. I hope it helps. I hope you guys appreciate it. Like I said, it's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. And you can, you know, see what things are renting for in different areas and hopefully get some good use out of it. So I think that's it for this video, though, because I got to get back to doing this. I'm going to edit this video and put it up. But happy Valentine's Day to all of you. Tomorrow morning, we will be going live with Rock and Jazz, who have a YouTube also, getting quite popular, to be honest. But they moved here to Roxas City. And so they're like on the other end. They're in the modern area of Roxas City. And so we're going to have them on my live stream tomorrow. We'll talk about their whole journey and everything else. So hopefully you'll join us. By the time you see this video, it'll probably be coming out. The live will be 12 hours after this comes out, that kind of thing. So we'll see you then. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? Because happy holiday, guys. Remember me when I take a vlogger? Let me show you, everyone. Let me show you how to do this. Wait, guys. And ta-da, look at that. It's kinda family time. You remember Lola Minu? And then she was see me, Lola Minu. Bye-bye. Happy holiday, guys.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn